Unfair competition is defined as any act of competition that, contrary to good faith, involves deception, confusion, imitation, or denigration. Some examples of acts of unfair competition are, firstly, acts of deception, spreading false or misleading information about a competitor's products or services, such as claiming a product is natural when it actually contains artificial ingredients. Next, acts of confusion, using a competitor's trademarks or distinctive signs to confuse consumers. For example, using a logo very similar to a well-known competitor's. Also, acts of imitation, servilely imitating the appearance, features, or advertising of a competitor, such as copying a product's design or an advertising campaign's slogan. A clearer example might be systematically copying the characteristics of a competitor's product without authorization. Then, acts of denigration, making false or unfair statements about a competitor's activities, features, or credit, such as spreading rumors about the quality of a competitor's products. Acts of violence. A clear example would be using violence or intimidation to hinder a competitor's activity. Acts of exploiting someone else's reputation. An example of this act could be taking undue advantage of a competitor's fame or prestige to promote one's own products or services. Acts of industrial espionage. Obtaining a competitor's confidential information illicitly would be an example of this illegal activity. Lastly, acts of contract breach. An example of this type of act could involve intentionally breaching a contract with a supplier or client with the aim of harming them. It is important to note that the above list is not exhaustive, and there are other acts that may be considered unfair competition depending on the specific circumstances of each case. At ILP, we are experts in advising businesses and startups. We are committed to supporting the success and growth of your innovative company. Reach out to our AI assistants, Savvy and Athenia, to focus your inquiries, or contact us directly if you have a problem or project that requires advice. Find more information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com. Legal services are not a commodity. Seek the best, not the cheapest.